everyone, welcome back to the Learn from Home program by Supplementary Volunteer Teachers Organization. In today's video, we will be talking about the remaining two biodiversity hotspots of India, which we were discussing earlier. Okay, and in today's video, we will be dealing with these two remaining biodiversity hotspots, that is your Indo-Burma and Sundaland. So now let's talk about Indo-Burma region. As we look at the Indo-Burma hotspot, okay, so it is the region that is spread out from eastern Bangladesh to Malaysia and includes some parts of northeast India, Myanmar. यानी कि Indo-Burma biodiversity hotspot जुन चाहिँ छ त्यो hotspot मा चाहिँ कुन चाहिँ region आउँदो रहेछ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ eastern Bangladesh भइगयो, okay, Malaysia भयो, some parts of northeast India भयो अनि अर्को चाहिँ के रहेछ त Myanmar आउँदो रहेछ. Now, the next feature of Indo-Burma hotspot it is home to several primate species such as monkeys, langurs, etc. यानी कि Indo-Burma hotspot को अर्को main feature चाहिँ के रहेछ भन्दाखेरि त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ ज्यादा मात्रामा प्राइमेट स्पिसिसहरु पाउँदो रहेछ. अब प्राइमेट स्पिसिस भनेको कुन चाहिँ स्पिसिसहरु हो त monkeys भयो, langurs भयो, gibbonsहरु भयो, ओके, त्यो सबै प्राइमेट स्पिसिसहरु चाहिँ कहाँनिर पाउँदो रहेछ त Indo-Burma region मा पाउँदो रहेछ. Next feature is here almost 1300 species of birds exist here. यानी कि Indo-Burma region मा almost 1300 birds को 1300 varieties यहाँनिर पाइन्दो रहेछ. Now next is here 13,500 plant species, among which half of them are endemic. प्लान्ट स्पिसिसलाई हेर्नु पर्दाखेरि प्लान्ट स्पिसिस पनि एकदमै ज्यादा मात्रामा पाइन्दो रहेछ. कति 30,500 अनि जसको आधा प्लान्ट्स चाहिँ के रहेछ त एन्डेमिक रहेछ. नाउ एन्डेमिक भनेको के हो मैले अस्ति नै बुझाइहालेको थिएँ. एन्डेमिक भनेको के हो त एन्डेमिक स्पिसिस आर दोज स्पिसिस, ओके, which is found only in one particular region. So that's all about endemic species. Next, let's shift towards the Sundaland hotspot, okay. Sundaland hotspot which is there, it is comprised of Southeastern Asia. As you all know, okay, Asia which is there, it is a continent, okay. अब त्यो Asia को southeastern part, okay, southeastern part जुन चाहिँ छ, that comprises Sundaland, okay. Now Sundaland को अर्को feature चाहिँ के रहेछ भन्दाखेरि it is dominated by two world's largest island, Borneo and Sumatra. यानी कि if you look at the world's map, okay, you will be getting in the southeastern part of Asia, okay, you will be getting that two largest islands, okay, Borneo and Sumatra. And next is here, it is home to several Asian mammals like elephants, tigers, apes, monkeys, etc. अर्को मेन फिचर चाहिँ के रहेछ भन्दाखेरि यो सुन्दरल्यान्ड जुन चाहिँ छ, सुन्दरल्यान्डमा चाहिँ ज्यादा मात्रामा एशियन म्यामल्सहरु पाइन्दो रहेछ, जस्तो कि एलिफेन्ट्स भयो, टाइगर्स भयो, एप्स भयो, monkeys भयो, etc. And the next feature is of Sundaland is your 117 endemic plants. 117 endemic plants. Endemic plants चाहिँ कति पाइन्दो रहेछ त सुन्दरल्यान्डमा 117. So हामीले अहिलेसम्म 4टा biodiversity hotspot गरिसक्यौ, okay. So this brings to the end of biodiversity hotspots that is found in India, okay. र यो सबै पढिसक्दाखेरि हामीले के पनि नोटिस गर्न सक्छौं भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ biodiversity hotspot, okay. जब कुनै पनि रिजनलाई biodiversity hotspot गनिनु छ, okay, त्यो गनिनुको लागि चाहिँ के पनि चाहिँदो रहेछ एउटा मेन फिचर एन्डेमिजम, okay, endemic species हरु त्यहाँनिर हुनु जरुरी छ. जस्तै कि हामी यहाँनिर देख्यौ Indo-Burma region पनि there are several endemic species, okay, अनि सुन्दरल्यान्डमा पनि धेरैवटा endemic species हरु पाइन्दो रहेछ. So one most important feature, okay, for counting a region as for notifying a region as a biodiversity hotspot is your endemism also. So this much for today. We will meet in our next video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you so much.